Now we're going to take a look at the closet in the garage, okay? This is right now being used as the adult son as storage area for some personal items. It's also going to explain some of the electrical issues that are mentioned by the inspector. That light, which is one of 3 lights along the front, okay, creating a uniformity along here, an equal width along that wall, as you can see, is the only one that has a wire that goes up and then runs, blocking it with my hand, then runs along that windowsill there and then becomes a wire itself that's held down by staples. So as we go into this room, okay, let's take a look. Now right now, please excuse the junk, okay, that's in here, or stuff I should say. One person's stuff is another person's junk, okay, but this is the brick just like the rest of the house. So this entire closet could be removed, okay, and done for. I would recommend that just all this stuff is done, this is going to become like a tool shed, okay, for you. There's no asbestos or anything in the roof. It's just plywood up there. And if I remember right, it's got like asphalt shingles, okay, that are being used up there along the roof in order to create some insulation for it. And this could also become a lockout closet. Now this section here, okay, is going to go. That you're going to get rid of. That's that big box of storage area that's being done. But notice that this here, this is just a type of plywood that's being used. It's got some texturing in it and it looks like planks. That's the same thing as here. Okay, so if this is left, this wood might be able to be salvaged in order to complete this wall right here. This could actually become 2 closets so that one of them could become tools, okay, here looking behind me, and the other one, I don't know, maybe you have bikes or pool floaties or personal items. I'm not sure of your overall intention for this house, but my suggestion would be that you have a lockout closet somewhere, okay, so that you can put things in here, have them locked up, and if you ever use as a rental or loan out your property, you don't have to worry about other people using your most personal of things, okay? The wood from this box could be used to finish this off so that it creates a similar look along the front here. It's the simplest way to bring this to completion and still have a finished look. You're going to want to repaint it when you're done because right now it's filthy, okay? But with the cleaning and repainting, this is nice usable space for either a tool shed or for a lockout closet or bike storage. Because right now you don't have a garage, okay, that locks itself. You've got more of a carport. That will give you some lockable space in the garage for tools or toys. Anyways, there you have it. And when it comes to the electrical there, you're probably just going to leave it. I mean, is it up to code? No. Okay, does it work? Yes. Okay, and it doesn't look like anything's happening with it. It's probably been there for more than a decade, like how it's been. Inside here, once you get in here and play with it, you might figure out a few wires that you don't need. Okay, because there are a bunch here and there's lights, and maybe like over there I can see you've got twisties, you know, controlling it. Maybe you want to tape those down and make it a little bit nicer, okay, with how it's done. But I would honestly work with it. Okay, this is not going to be any part of the showroom of your house. This is just usable storage space. Anyways, that's my opinion. This is Eric. Bye-bye.